pig? What is that?
Don't break your paddle.
What? Wow, boy, this really perked him right up. There's a chick and a butterfly. Wow. And a butterfly.
Either that or he's pooping.
No, we did that already this afternoon.
He's had his daily.
And there's a duck. Wow, and a frog. Duck goes quack, 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 quack. Duck goes quack, 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 quack.
My.
The duck sound and the monkey sound crack them up the most.
There's a lion goes and the puppy goes ruff, ruff, ruff. Ruff, 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 ruff. Wow. He really loves this. I've never seen a little one react like this. There's a penguin and a tiger.
Is that an A to Z?
No, just animals.
And there's a rabbit.
That's Grandma's favorite.
What about the
That's
zebra?
Grandma's favorite.
Does Grandma read this to you? My goodness.
It's quite
I've never seen such a reaction from such a little guy. It's a zebra.
Buddy,
Oh.
back your book.
And there's a monkey. Where's the monkey?
Oh.
Where's the monkey?
Oops.
Oh, there we go.